In today's SEO for Beginners video, I'm going to share with you a SEO tip that's for beginners, for intermediate SEOs, and even experts. My name is Chris Palmer, and even myself, I get lost with keyword difficulty, cost per click, the newest, greatest techniques and strategies. I'm looking at volumes and the features and snippets, and you get completely lost. Now, what I want to do is I want to give you two tips that are so fundamentally simple, but they will exponentially help out your SEO campaigns. And time again, I speak with clients that I'm working with, or I speak with other SEOs, and they simply have not done these two things, and I want to go ahead and share these with you. The very first one is this, and they kind of work with one another. And it's simply, if I want to target a keyword, let's say I want to target the keyword SEO consultant or SEO consultancy. Now, I go out and I start creating a SEO consultancy page, and this is a product page that's put into a silo off of other service or location pages. This is just an example. Now, before I did this, I've looked at this particular result here, and I can see, okay, we have good volume, the keyword difficulty is not too bad, we have some SERP features. But something that I run into a lot, especially with clients, even some other SEOs, is I say, hey, are you sure this shouldn't be maybe a blog post? And I'm not saying that this keyword it should be, but not looking at the SERP and seeing, hey, what is Google rewarding? Is Google rewarding when I search a page? If I go out and I search for SEO consultancy, right? Is Google rewarding home pages? Is Google rewarding service pages? Is Google rewarding location pages or blog pages? What is Google rewarding? So by simply just doing a quick search, regardless if you want to use a search from search engine, like search from a particular location, so you know that you're in the same exact location, or even within SEMrush, you can search from a zip code, so you're actually there. I want to see what are the competitors that I want to compete with. What exactly are they doing? What kind of page are they producing? How long is the content? Are they using images? Are they using videos? Are they using forums? So by simply looking at your keyword from the location that you want to target and seeing what Google is currently rewarding, this will absolutely speed up the growth of your website. Now, let me talk about tip number two. Now, tip number two is very similar, all right? And don't get me wrong here. It's relatively simple, but again, this happens all the time. Let's go ahead and take a look at a quick example here. So again, let's say that we want to search a particular keyword. And the keyword is, we'll stick with the same one, SEO consultancy. Now, this comes up a lot. I talked with, I don't want to say the niche, but so let's just say it's SEO consultancy. Now, should I create dedicated pages for SEO consultancy and SEO consultant? Should I have two separate pages? Now, we would know, yes, probably we would want it. It's all going to be contained in one page. But I want you to think about multiple examples where you're like, well, should I create multiple pages or should I only create one? And I've ran into this time and time again. What you need to do is you need to go out and look inside of Google and put in SEO consultancy, take a look at the results, or you can utilize SEMrush for this or any other tool that you want to use. Take a look at the SERP results. It's over here on the right-hand side. And literally take a look at the search results. And what does Google think when I search consultancy or consultant? Is it returning the exact same results? And do 2 or 3 searches or utilize whichever tool set that you have. The reason being is we want to see, does Google think that these are two separate keywords? Because if they're two completely separate keywords returning separate results, then we might want to create two separate pages. We might want to create them inside of a silo. This could be a supporting piece of content, based on our main commercial intent content. And this is the 2 tips that I really wanted to give you. So to go ahead and recap on this, it's first and foremost, all right, when we are looking at creating a page or creating our site and optimizing our site, we need to see before we even start, what is Google currently rewarding? We want to literally go out to the SERP, even if we want to do searching from, even if we're targeting another country, another state, we want to go to I search from. We can sign up a search, look up a search, figure out what is Google rewarding. Is it a blog post, a service page, a location page? We want to see the videos, the word count, the forms, everything, all of the details. The second tip that I shared today is we've created our list from either our own pages, we know that we want to re-optimize, or we've pulled in our competitors, and let's say that this is our list of keywords. We want to know, does Google feel, or whichever search engine you're targeting, do they feel that these are the same exact keywords? Do I need standalone pages? Should I make these into a silo? Should I have them, completely by themselves, or maybe make an orphan? We need to see, is Google returning completely separate results for the keywords that we want to target? So we're not wondering like, hey, what should I be doing here? All right, so these are the tips that I wanted to give you today. I usually don't do SEO for beginners videos, but my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions related to SEO, if you're a beginner, intermediate, an expert, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to go ahead and ask in the comments below, and I most certainly look forward to seeing you in the next SEO for Beginners video. Have a wonderful day.